Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host Gigi Faison and I welcome you guys once again into my home. Today I will be sharing with you my last Christmas tablescape for 2021. Now it may even be the last tablescape for 2021, but who knows. So, y'all know what you're supposed to do right about now. Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, your snack, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, and enjoy me as I decorate my table for the Christmas holiday season. You guys, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I invite you all back tomorrow on my birthday as I share with you my Christmas home tour. All right, I will stop talking, but before I do, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you here and I thank you so much for stopping by. Now is the perfect time for you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Tap the notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming uploads. And again, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hey guys, it's going to be a very merry Peacock Christmas at the Faison household. The napkin ring here is a find from Pure One several years ago. The salad plate and the dinner plate are from Hobby Lobby, I think last year or the year before, at the end of season. The placemat here is from Michael's. It came as a set with this table runner here. And I actually have the table runner layered, so I have two runners here. And the charger plate here, I don't remember where I purchased these from. I want to say maybe Macy's, but I'm not for certain. And then the placemat here was a find years ago from Pure One. So this is what we have at each of our place settings. This is my flatware. This is part of my stash that I have. And the wine goblets and the champagne flutes. Don't remember where I purchased those from. I think these are from the home goods store. Not real sure about the wine goblet. These lighted trees were a find from Hobby Lobby, maybe last year or the year before. And my peacocks here, I think I purchased those from the Z Gallery. And you guys, this is look number 1 for our Christmas Day table setting. So I'm not sure exactly which I will keep. This is look number 1, and I'll make a few changes and share with you look number 2. So guys, for look number 2, I have changed out my centerpiece. I have added new stemware. I've added new napkin rings and napkins. Everything else remains the same. So continue to watch. I hope you will enjoy, because here at the Faison household, for Christmas of 2021, it's going to be a very merry peacock styling for 2021. Again, if you're new, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made. For those of you that continue to show love and support, I thank you. I thank you so very much. So I want to say to each of you, like, comment, share if you like, but also have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Continue watching, continue to enjoy, and enjoy the music. Just a quick reminder, I remind you all to come back tomorrow on my birthday, December 22nd, for my Christmas home tour of 2021.